Hi and welcome back to my channel. Hi, I'm Veronica Pinguin and today we're talking about Estrid. If you don't know Estrid, Estrid is a razor subscription and I tested it. First of all, this video is not sponsored. All those opinions are mine and I have a few things written down because I wanted to give an honest and good review about Estrid. So this is the packaging. This is when you get the starter kit. You get this little pink colored box in your mail. I have to say everything is packaged in paper, so you can recycle this. And I'm going to do it after filming this video. This is the starter kit. It's under 10 euros, so you get a solid steel razor, 2 5-bladed and 1 wall holder, because you can put your razor in the shower and have it there hung up, which is really cool. I really love that detail, to be honest. I bought this starter kit in October, in the beginning of October, and I tested it from October until now. And now I want to give my opinion. So first I want to show you the package, and then I'm going to talk about everything that is on my mind. You can pause the description whenever you want to, so that's great because sometimes you just don't need that many razor bits because you didn't use them up, and you can actually choose how often you get them. Anyway, you can even choose your own razor. I chose the pink one, but they had really beautiful others. Like, I love the matcha green, but I wasn't sure if it is the right matcha color that I wanted. So anyways, let's get into this. You open this and you have just a tiny note which says, always remember, your body is beautiful. It is the most incredible, amazing thing you will ever own, and there isn't any other like it. You are one of a kind. Really cute. Then you have one of those little razor care manual, so it has all the things in here about the handle, the 5-bladed razor thing, the holder, and then just information that will be useful if you get this kit. Then you have a big envelope in here. It also says your body, your control, come hang with us at Estrid. But yeah, then you have this little package here which says Estrid. And yeah, you open it and here you have all your products. First of all, you get some stickers. I think they look so cute, and it says on the back that nothing to see here but paper, so this is also paper, which is great. Then you have the holder. I'm going to insert it because I have mine in the shower. And yeah, it's just a holder. Finally a home for your razor. And on the back it says, lick me and I will stay forever. And yeah, it has this typical pink Estrid color. Yeah, then you have another care instruction because it is really important, because the razor itself is steel. You have to take care when you use it. You should dry it so that it's not rusting or anything, but you have those information in here, so really do it because you want your razor to live forever. So, and now to the fun part. You have the razor and it has a bit of a rubber part here, but anyway, it is a really great razor. It really feels quite heavy. Even for me now, it is still quite heavy, but it feels like it's good quality, and I really love the color. I was really unsure if the pink is too pink for me, but I think it's the perfect blush pink. I really love it. And here you have this part here. Here you can clip on the razor blades. As I said, you get 2 razor blades. Those are the ones. Okay, so this is everything you get, and I have to admit, first I actually have to say I filmed this video before. I rewatched it when I was editing and I changed my mind, to be honest. And then I thought, you know what? I think doing this video in December is a bit too short for testing it. So I thought, you know what? I'm going to take my time and do it for February, March, or even April. And yeah, now we're here and that's why I'm filming this video. And I have to say I changed my mind about Estrid. First of all, I said in my other video that it's just a razor. I don't know if it's good or bad or anything, it just does the work. I mean, yes, obviously it does the work, but I really love this razor because when I went away for 2 weeks to Spain, I did not take this one with me because I was like, I don't know, I don't want it to lie in the hotel room or anything like that. So I was like, okay, you know what? I'm going to take a cheap one and it will be fine. And in that moment, when I was in Spain, I really missed my Estrid razor because I really could see the difference and how good this one actually works. So I have to say, I really can recommend it. I freaking love it, and I really love the design and this rubby part here, and it really feels good in my hands. You can obviously click this in. It's really easy. What I have to say is that the razor starter kit really came quickly, so I did not really need to wait quite long. However, the first round where I ordered the razor blades did take a bit longer. I think it was around 1 or 2 weeks. And I was really waiting for them. That was really, and it wasn't bad, but I was like, why does it take so long? But anyways, I really do enjoy it. I love the feeling after using the razor. I really love it and it feels really good and really soft. What I really do enjoy is that everybody can choose their colored. I have a lilac one, a grey one, the matcha colored one, the blush one. I think they have a yellow one as well, so you can really choose the color you want. And they also have a little travel case for your razor, which, to be honest, first I was like, I don't think I need it, but right now, after traveling a bit and not having my razor with me, I think the next time I'm going to purchase the case because I really think it's worth it. So there's one part where I was really disappointed because you have this little holder for your razor, so the home for your razor, and I don't know, I tested it really good where to stick this holder, where to leave it, because it should be in a place where it's not wet and it doesn't get wet or anything. So it's really important that it's a dry place so that it does not fall down. January or something like that, I saw that my razor and the holder fell down and I was really disappointed because yeah, the color of my razor did get a bit damaged, which I'm really sad about it because I did everything they told me to. It had the perfect home for 4 months and then it fell off the wall, which really, I don't know, I was really disappointed because now my razor has some little damages. I mean, it's nothing really dramatic, but it still really bothers me. I don't know, I had to put the holder back on the wall and for now it still sticks. So I hope this time it does not fall down or anything, because I would be really sad because the razor does get a bit destroyed. Like I have this little part here, it's a bit destroyed, and here you can see it as well here, and it has the same thing on the other side, which I know it's not really bad, like it's just a little damaged space, but still it bothers me because I took so good care for that, so it really bothers me. But anyways, the product itself is really good. I love it. I love using it. It is really a good feeling in my hand, even though it is a bit heavier than all the others that I had before, but this one really feels like it's good quality. And I like that this is really easy to put on and off. I know for the first time when I used it, it was a bit harder because I didn't know how everything works, but right now I don't have any problems with that. The only thing is I'm really clumsy with opening this, so I was really scared to cut myself. But yeah, that's the razor blade. The only thing that was a bit I needed to get used to is that this part is here to clip it in and off. I really do like the design. It really looks quite chic and it feels like real good quality. I have to say I really recommend this product. I hope that it lasts forever, as it actually is promoted that if you take care of your razor, it will last forever. So I really hope this is true. I'm still using it, so let's see how it goes, and if you want to, I can give you some updates on a YouTube short or TikTok or as a video. You just need to tell me what you want and I will do an update with my razor if you want to. But anyways, for the last month that I'm using this one, I have to say I'm really impressed. Yeah, only this one part of the holder falling down from the wall that really bothered me. But I really have to say I love this product. I think it's a great one. I think it's great that it's no plastic included in this product, and every time when you order your razor blades you get a tiny paper package. Okay, would I recommend this product? Yes, I 100% would recommend it. First of all, because I really love the razor. I really love it. It's high quality. It really feels good in my hand and when I'm using it, so that's amazing. I love that you have a bit of a subscription box situation here, so you get all your razor blades when you need them and you can pause it if you don't want any new. So that's great and that's what I really love about it. I am a bit bothered because of the holder that it fell down once, so hopefully it was the last time. That's actually everything I can say. It's vegan, it's steel, there's no plastic included. I'm just really excited and happy to have this product. And after one trip to Spain where I did not have my razor with me, this one here from Estrid, I really started to appreciate this one more than I thought I would. So yes, I can recommend it. And I think it's a really good price to pay for a razor because you're buying it for around 10 euros or under 10 euros, which is nothing for the amount of thing that you get. I'm really happy to found this razor, and actually there's nothing else to say. I really hope you enjoyed this little review about Estrid. I hope it was helpful. If you tried it, please let me know what you think. Do you think it's worth the money? Because I do think it is worth the money. And yeah, just leave a comment down below. What's your experience with Estrid? Do you have the same experiences I have or different? Just let me know. Let's have a little chat in the comments. And I hope you liked the video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more from me, then you can follow me on TikTok under the name Veronica Pinguin, and on Instagram as well. It's under the Veronica_Pinguin. And yeah, I hope you liked it and I hope I will see you guys soon. Bye!